You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all the name of this character from the Disney movie Moana. If you want to learn how to pronounce Moana and other character names that can be a bit confusing and often mispronounced, make sure to stay tuned. I'll link to them for you at the end of the video so you can really learn them all. A name from Hawaiian, the name of a demigod, Maui, Ma-U-I. That's the pronunciation from Hawaii. Maui, Maui. It's easy once you know Maui, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.